up, stretch, it's morning bright. Bappa smiles in soft sunlight, brush his teeth and wash his face. Time to start the morning race. Mama gives him milk and bread, eat it all is what she said. Wears his shoes and school bag too, ready for the day. Off he flew! Oh, what fun in Bappa's day! Learning, laughing, time to play. Every moment joy is near, with his friends and family dear. Good morning, friends, says Bappa loud. In morning, friends, says Bappa loud. In the class he feels so proud, listens well and learns a lot. Letters, numbers, dot by dot. When the bell rings, lunch begins. Yummy snacks and happy grins. Egg and bread, a tasty treat. Sharing food is oh so sweet. Oh, what fun in Bappa's day! Learning, laughing, time to play. Every moment joy is near, with his friends and family dear.
School is done, it's time to go. On the bus he's riding slow, sees his house and gives a cheer.
Mama, Mama, I am here. Draws a picture, reads a book, plays outside in every nook. Eats his dinner, snuggles tight.